Hi, good morning. So welcome to this travel duo. Today is our travel day. I obviously could not sleep. Let me know if anybody else goes through that whenever you're traveling. I went to sleep a little bit after 9 because I wanted to get a good night's sleep so I could wake up ideally around 2. It's currently 12:54. So that didn't work out, and I've been up since about 11:30 something. Couldn't go back to sleep. My head was tossing and turning. But anyways, since I can't sleep, I'm just gonna put myself to good use. I've done my bed already, so I could leave that nice and done. I think I'm gonna go get myself a coffee, make myself a coffee, and grab a quick something to eat because I'm actually hungry. I ate really early yesterday, and now I'm hungry really early. And then I think I'm just gonna do my skincare, a light makeup, and it'll be time. The Uber is supposed to be here around 3:15, so it gives me plenty of time. I also have some social media things I want to do. Speaking of which, if you guys want to follow us on our adventure, get more up-to-date, more recent videos, pictures, posts, go ahead and follow us. Instagram at This Travel Duo, and you can find us there. In the meantime, if you guys want to keep watching here through YouTube, please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so that you guys get notified every time we do upload a video and you don't miss out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. I'm very nervous for some reason. I don't know why. But anyways, I'm gonna go get myself my coffee, food, then come here, do some social media work, like get my socials in order for the trip and all that. And then I'm gonna start my skincare and my makeup, and then just get dressed and hopefully leave to Disney World. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna take some pills. That's why I also want to eat, so I can take some headache pills because I feel one coming on, and just to relax me, not to have so much pain in the way. So okay, let's do it. Sorry. Okay guys, so it is now, what time is it? It's about 2:30, so we still got time for the Uber. I am kind of ready, I think. This is the outfit. I don't know, you can't really see, but it's just vacation mode. And I'm also wearing my up jeans, or not jeans, leggings rather. Yeah, I think this is it. Something super simple makeup. I didn't use my preferred makeup, so I'm thinking I'm looking a little bit white. But oh well, this is as good as it's gonna get. I didn't really even do anything with my hair today. I just did it last night and slept, and then right now I just woke up. I woke up like this. But this is how I'm gonna go. Super comfy. I already have most of the luggage is already downstairs. I just need to take this one because I was using some stuff that I am taking. I had light breakfast. I had it was a Greek yogurt with blueberries, which I'm going to take this downstairs and wash, along with my cup. Sorry, the lights are probably super bright. And I'm going to make sure to take this clip so I don't forget it. Let me just pop this in my bag. I think I have everything that I need in my carry-on. I have my wallet, electronics, tripods, glasses, my Brita water, hand sanitizer, chapstick, my neck pillow if I'm able to sleep. I doubt it. And then I'm gonna just walk this downstairs in a bit, and I'm gonna put on my shoes. I'm gonna put on this cardigan as well. This one I'm gonna keep on, and then this one I'm gonna take just in case it gets it's too cold here. If it's not, then it's not that bulky, so I can just put it away. But yeah, I think we're ready. So it's been an eventful morning so far. Just got here. I'm waiting for my daughter. So when I booked the Uber last night, or the night before, I can't even remember now, but when I booked it, it didn't give me an option to get like a bigger car in order to fit all of our luggage. And it was a smaller car, a small Toyota Camry, and it wasn't enough room we couldn't, my daughter, her service dog, myself, and oh my gosh, why do I look so pale? And all of our luggage, which was 4 large ones and 2 carry-ons, we wouldn't fit, so she had to last minute get the car. We were trying to brainstorm. Thankfully the Uber guy was really helpful trying to work with us. He was giving options, but none of them felt like I was okay with, like separating from my daughter, leaving her alone, or just having him deliver our luggage and then still have to pay an additional fee.
May I have your attention,
so
please?
she basically had to go get,
is strictly prohibited. If you are not actively loading,
as you can tell, I'm outside on the terminal.
You must move your vehicle immediately.
So she had to go park the car, and then we're gonna have to leave it there for like an extended, you know, parking time, which we did not want. We wanted to avoid all that. But she's gonna leave it there, and then she's hopefully gonna shortly get a shuttle brought to the terminal, and then we can move on to begin check-in. It's really early, but I can see that there's already people here, so I'm glad that we came. I don't think the other member of our party is here yet. As you can see, we are a small airport. There's not a lot of people coming in and out. So I guess also that's why there was part of the issue with finding an Uber that would fit all of our luggage. This is just like half of it, more than half, because she only has the 2 luggage, and I hope she's not going to be struggling, because she's going to have the 2 large bags and then her personal carry-on, and then her service dog. So we'll see how it goes. We are off to a rough start, but hopefully it's smoother sailing from now. But you know, who knows? Just as long, I just really want us to have a positive attitude. I really am going to try on my patience to not get so extremely anxious that it ruins my patience, or that it ruins the moment. I don't want to get stressed out, stress them out. So a quick thing about us, all of us suffer with anxiety or different issues like that. So you can imagine, I'm a ball of nervousness right now. Hopefully she's not long. I'm freezing, really cold right now. So anyways, just waiting for her to come, and then we'll see what happens next. Hey guys, so right now we arrived, we've actually been here at Chicago for a while. We have like an hour-and-a-half layover. So I got a quick bite to eat. She got some caramel popcorn. Hey Daisy.
Oh, here's my caramel popcorn.
Yeah. She was looking for ice cream, but obviously it's like not even 8 in, well now it's 8 in the mornings, but they didn't have any ice cream. And then here's Nana. Hi. And then there's Russell. So we have a few more minutes. What time is it right now? 7:45. So we still have, that backlight is horrible. There you go. You can see all the planes back there. But yeah, a few more hours and we're going to be at where? Disney. Where are we going to be?
Disney World.
Apparently there was just this update. I had no idea. I had checked the weather. I'd never heard anything about any hurricane. I don't know how I missed this, but there's now a possible hurricane warning, and Walt Disney World just posted here that they are taking the necessary precautions, and they would update for subtropical storm Nicole if there needs to be any adjustments to maintain guest safety. This was just updated not too long ago, so hopefully it does not get to that, and it's just a little bit of rain and that's it, because wow, I really was not planning this. Obviously they just went through a big storm, and that's also the least that they need. More storms and more destruction on top of what they already had. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not just about the vacation, it's also about the people's safety that live there. But obviously I can't deny being bummed out and hoping that, you know, this doesn't come true also for our sake. But I hope everybody stays safe. We just arrived a while ago. We got our baggage and now we're here. There she is. We're now in the Sunshine Flyer. This is our first time experiencing it, and let me tell you that they're very friendly. It doesn't take too long. We were waiting for about 15-20 minutes or so because the previous bus had just left. So, but the Sunshine Flyer is really spacious. It's very clean. It's nice, air conditioned, so friendly. Let me just show you a little bit what it looks like this. And there are my ladies right over there. We're starving because we haven't had a real meal all day.
Popcorn though. It's really good.
She's sustaining herself with caramel popcorn. And yes, they say these are really good. So let me try this one.
The barbecue taste is cool and it's spicy.
Yeah. Sweet and spicy.
And then on the bottom you have this nice little footrest right here. Like it. And then handles in case you need to grab them. But yeah, it's super cute. Can't wait. No. Okay, so we just arrived to our room and then Daisy's gonna test the magic band for the very, very first time. See if it works. Hopefully it does, because sometimes, you know. Okay.
Okay. You want to show the little Mickey logo?
Oh, yeah. That's where you tap your magic band. And yeah. And then you just open.
And it worked!
Yay! Now
Are
me.
you giving a room tour?
Yeah, let me do it too. It's
Oh, yes.
customary.
Okay.
Okay, Mickey to Mickey. And voila,
So
it
nice.
opens. And okay, so we have lots of luggage. Hey boy, yes, you're being a real dog today, not working right now, huh? Get a little break to be a real dog. I mean, you're always a real dog, but you're not working.
He turns into a robot when he works, you know?
He's very mechanical. Okay, so this is our room. We just arrived finally after a super long day.
Oh, so many hours on a plane.
Hunger,
I
tiredness.
just want a pizza in my mouth.
That's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go eat. Look at all this monstrosity of luggage. So much. And
There's a
thankfully,
table.
my daughter got the groceries.
So nice.
This is what actually turns into a bed.
I like the table though.
Yeah, it's nice. We can eat and everything, but then we can also put this up and it's
So nice.
the table, put it down, and then it's a bed. It's
Yeah.
the same size as that one.
So nice. That's really nice.
So we got our groceries. Oh yay, they did get these. They said they didn't have these.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start settling in. Let's give a
Wait,
little
did you show
quick
them the bathroom?
room tour before we make this a mess. Of course, the beautiful TV that we love. This gives you updates on what to expect for each day at the park and activities and things that are happening here at the resort, FYI. And the beloved Mickey. We haven't turned on all the lights. Let me try to turn them all on.
Oh wow, that helped.
Yeah, that helps a lot. It was kind of dark.
Okay.
Okay, and then Daisy's opening, and there I am. It's kind of dark. You want to hit the lights? Yeah, I know.
Voila.
Voila! And there's a big mirror, sink, storage.
And then
not
you can also
so.
take a private potty.
Yeah, thankfully she can. So this is a little storage, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do so that we can each hang the most clothing as possible, because as you can see, it's not that big. They actually have more hangers than other times, I think. But anyways, so plenty of
So they knew that
storage
we were
space. And then over here, they have a little
Oh,
nook
they have a
with
hair
iron,
dryer.
hair dryer, towels, Kleenex, or tissue paper. The ironing board is back there. Mirror, hello. And then soap, sink, like I said, shower, bathroom. And that is it. We are super tired right now. We're really hungry, so this is... Hey guys, so we finished. We organized our room. Well, the bed is maybe a little bit, but we basically organized all of our stuff. We organized our closet. We made it fit. Look at all those shoes down there. Look at all this. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but it's what we could do with what we have. Teamwork makes the dream work. We're organized and ready to go. That way we don't have to worry about the rest of the days of packing and all that. So these collapsible hangers that I bought were really handy. Unfortunately, I forgot an important part, which was a collapsible hanging, like space-saving hangers, but oh well. I mean, at least the hangers came in handy. So now we're gonna go eat finally. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been raining all day since we got here. We got here in the room like around 2. So it didn't take us too long, but we're finally gonna go eat. We're just gonna go down to Pop and buy our refillable mugs, and I think that's it. I don't know if we're gonna go around the monorail or on the Skyliner just to show our friend around, to, you know, introduce her to what Disney World is. But come along with us. Let's go. Okay, so here is our first meal at Pop at Disney in general. We got the Walt foot long. I think it's super big. And then I decided to get like an order of mashed potatoes. So did she. How was it? And then what did you get?
Oh, so I'm eating her mashed potatoes. I got
Her mashed potatoes and
mega size slice of pizza.
a mega size of pizza.
And then I got a sugar cookie with M&M's.
Yum. Let me see. Ooh, good. Okay, everybody enjoy.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna have nacho cheese.
Me too. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. Yeah. We wish it would have had more cheese. It has just a bunch of dried chili. But we're starving, so we're just gonna eat this. We were sabotaged by the weather here in Florida, as always. So it's been raining. We had initially planned to get on the monorail, go around, show our friend that's here for the first time a little bit of, you know, at least an aerial view of what is Disney World, you know, the parks and the resorts, and just walk around, maybe even go to Disney Springs or something like that. But the rain, it just dampened everything, pun intended. But not only that, it was a busy day. We've had a long day. Right now it is gonna be 9. My daughter and her friend went to Art of Animation. They're actually gonna go grab us some food because really we've only had one real meal. At least I've only had one real meal and like a little bit of like a fruit plate, like a cheese and crackers, and then the Walt chili dogs. And I'm hungry. I'm like hungry right now. So they went to go get that. I just had a shower. I'm relaxing here in the room. As you can see, there's the little Mickeys. Russell stayed here with me. He's also resting. He's had a long day. But I'm rather happy. Sadly, I shared this video of hacks for Disney. And I shared how you could bring like one of those space savers. I think I mentioned this earlier in the vlog and I didn't. But however, I'm still proud because even though I forgot those, I did bring the black hangers there. And we have managed. There's 3 females here in this room for 12 days. And we have clothes for all 12 days, shoes, all of that. And we have managed to fit everything. Hopefully it remains like this, organized for the rest of the stay here. We really have to keep organized in order for this to work. I also really like the idea of bringing collapsible hampers that helps keep the dirty clothes enclosed in one area. They all have what do you call it, zip ups, so it's not like it's just out in the open. But we did bring some laundry detergent just in case we do have time to wash, which we're gonna make time to wash. But tomorrow, unfortunately, it seems like it's also going to be a gloomy, rainy day. I think I'm not gonna take this camera. I'm gonna have to take my my action camera. That's, you know, it can get wet and nothing will happen to it. But this one, I'm not willing to risk it. I'm not sure. So hopefully the image is decent. If the weather calms down, I might just record it on my phone because I do like the quality of this camera, but I'm not willing to risk it getting wet. And today was horrible and wet, and it seems like tomorrow is going to be the same. So tomorrow is our first official park day. So we're going to have an exciting morning. We're going to start with some breakfast at Crystal Palace. Now that the characters have returned, and plus our friend really likes Winnie the Pooh, and she's Disney bounding as Winnie the Pooh, and we surprised her today. We let her know, hey, this is what's going on tomorrow. And the reason we told her ahead of time is that way she knows she has something to look forward to. We can all go to sleep a little bit earlier and not want to stay out late. So hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna start to look for my outfits, put them together to see what I'm gonna wear tomorrow, so that I'm not running like a chicken with my head cut off, because we have an early reservation. So hopefully it's not raining. If it is, I'm gonna also try to see how I can condense the stuff in my backpack to only, if I only do take this camera, it can be protected in that backpack. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.